Yo, why is it like horrible like that? Doesn't make sense. Doesn't make sense. Okay, let me put it down. Okay, baby. That's better. I'm still like... Well, guys, doesn't make sense, but still. Okay, welcome in today's stream. So let me share everything on X as usual. Well, I'll remove this shit. Okay, fuck it. Just stay like this. It's fine. You guys don't see me perfectly, but it is what it is. So we pretty much nailed the recent moves on the market. We've been on point like crazy. So let's keep the space up. So far I'm longer. If you guys remember, well, I showed it here. I also showed it here, took profit here, showed it here again, took profit here, went long, now in profit. I took some profit here because we do still have let's remove that. We still have this that I can remove here. Okay, up. We still have the 3-week, okay, the 4-week composite here, value relo here, but we are kind of flipping the 7 days and 30 days rolling view up here. So if we can push here, I feel like we can push toward those levels. Okay, so let's see. That's why I'm keeping this long for now. What was the level I wanted to show you guys also? Yeah, it was this also. That's interesting. And so pretty much that's not me. And so pretty much like that's how I see it. Same thing, same level, guys. Same level. Maybe this time we can actually flip it. Okay. The more we test it, the weaker it gets. So let's see. So let me also share this. I think this was close. Yeah, so this is reset. So let's just reset it. I hope it stays the same. So cool. Okay. Let me know if you guys hear me well or no. Still no imbalance. For me, this still looks alright. Like this still looks good, honestly. I didn't share anywhere the stream, sorry. Oh, we're 15. Yo, Sora. Yo, YouTube buddy. Hello, how are you? Hey, Jawad. Hey, Neon. Hey, Jawada. Jawad Hamid. How are you? Let me share the link of the stream everywhere. So everyone can join here and also on X. So let's see. So basically that could be it, or again just much lower. So okay, streaming today's session on YouTube. Still in this trade and looking to add to the longs or even flip shorts depending on what we see. Join us here. Hi Mac, how are you? How are you guys? Hi we and hi Mac for IO. How are you? Just let me share the stream on X up so everyone can join. That is good. I'll play. So let's see. Maybe we don't even have like some. Maybe we don't even have like some dumps. But this looks good to me. This still looks alright. Hey Anonymous, how are you? Hey Priyan, how are you? Yeah, fine also. Hello Kalin Dimitrov, how are you? Same, printing pretty much. Was very good days. Also, if you guys, that was a very strong close, okay? I closed literally the term short here. So that was a 1-to-1 risk reward, great. For those who are wondering, yesterday, well, let's open X and Discord. But basically, if we look at the timing of my tweets, at the photos were funny. They actually made a lot of views. 32k and 32k, yeah, that's insane. So look, for example, this one, added BTC shorts. If we go on trading view, I think we still can have the tweet. Yeah, look, no, here, no, let's go here on that one. Let's go here on that one. If we look at the tweets, that was pretty sick, huh? Tweet up, added 2 shorts. Can I move it? At the top, perfect. Okay, and now if we look at the other one, that is added to long, close my BT short and long. Okay, we can see that it was pretty sick. Be ready. It was literally at the bottom. That was like the fucking bottom, guys. So that was insane. That was fucking insane. Like, this is what you call perfection. Close my longs and close my shorts and long, added 2 shorts. It was pretty good. Thanks, you're the goat. Yo Miko. Short from here. Oh, you're shorting here? Personally, nah. Personally, nah. Don't think so. And I will update you with another selfie when I will close it or add some positions. So yeah. This, and also guys, first, the link of the Discord is in the description. If you guys didn't saw the free course where I explained, basically, if you guys want to know how I took yesterday's trade, I literally explained my full system, my risk management, and my psychology in this course in the free Discord. So the link of the Discord is in the description. So if you're not here, just click, join the Discord, and come back to the stream, and you will watch this video later, okay? And then just to show you, yesterday the execution was pretty insane, okay? So basically, shorted here, BTC was clean for many reasons, okay? Also shorted Ethereum here. So I was already up 12% this month. And if BTC and Ethereum hit stop loss, I will end at 6%, which is my monthly goal, okay? And if they hit TP, much more. So BTC dumped, okay? So we were risk free. And then printing, you guys can see on Ethereum and Solana, and BTC, 4%, 3%. So that was pretty good. And then I fully closed them. Okay? It profits. And then this is when I talked to you guys up. We went long. And then basically this is pumping. So that's pretty good. So for now, are you on copy trading in Tabit? Not yet. I will start it very soon. Sorry, I need a VPN, but I will start it very soon. So if you guys want to join also the copy trading, I showed it here, guys. I showed it on X also, but basically you join Tabit with my link. So you go on X, okay? You have to go on X. Oh, we are pumping heavy. Nice. So look, you just go here on my X. I will retweet it so you guys can see up. It's here, okay? So I will retweet it again here. 2k challenge, 2k to 10k challenge. You can earn up to 1k 280 by depositing and joining the challenge on copy trading funds, and you can get also 4k rewards by depositing and trading, okay? So that is very good, and up to 5k in cashback also. So look at this, okay? I will retweet all those tweets so you guys can see, and you can join the copy trading challenge. So now let's see, we just broke above 89k, guys. Great. Like, the structure is clean. We are still above this. This is clean, guys. This is clean. I mean, we are kind of goated here. And we also had a fucking retest here of the 4-week composite val, okay? You had the retest also to enter again here on the retest. So like, and since then the price is up, like, is up 2k. So that's good. That was very clean. So yeah, personally I didn't have it because I was outside. I was at the bank because I have a loan to pay. So I was at the fucking bank. Monthly VWAP resistance here, but in my opinion, if we flip it, we're going much higher. Okay, we can even go to the naked weekly VWAP of previous week. And in terms of yearly VWAPs, let's look at it. Yeah, this looks good to me also. We kind of reclaiming the yearly VWAP value and going back above. So yeah. What do you want to opening shorts? Honestly, shorts, I'm not interested in short right now. This looks like it will go higher, so maybe weekly high. That's my first kind of big TP. But after that, I feel like we can do something like this. So this price action, guys, you can see it's from November, like end of 2021 into March 2022. And I feel like we have the same seasonality. And look at this. Big dump, okay, into the yearly VWAP, okay, holding it, then going down, retesting, and having boring price action with a low. The low is holding, the low is holding, scam up, we make a new higher high, and then even if we make a higher high, we'll reject. So here we can see, okay, big dump here, big dump here. We held around the yearly VWAP, lost it, okay. Now we're making this high, this high, this high. Everyone expecting we take these lows, then we push higher into the yearly VWAP, and then we correct. And we can see that here we didn't took that high, and we can see that here maybe we won't take that high. So that could be kind of the same short setup, okay, where you target the lows like this, and you have the stops above the wick. And same thing here, we have something around these levels, okay. So we take this high. Maybe it goes just here, like 80. For me, it goes just here. It don't go to the yearly. For me, it goes here, like 98, something like this. Stops here, and then we can target like 69Ks. That would be a great swing shot to me. So yeah, that's kind of how I want to play it. So that could be interesting. I don't know what you guys think. Now you guys can see that we literally flip this, okay? The value over low of this. So this is low-key looking good, huh? This is looking good. Best trader Diego, thanks. Thanks. Yo Philip, let's go. So yeah, yesterday guys, I think you guys saw what we did. Was pretty good, pretty accurate. Again, just to show it to you guys. Added two shorts here, told you all on X, we dumped. Then closed shorts and long, we pumped. So pretty good. So now let's see how it goes in terms of, yeah, for me it's still looking alright. Like we're above important levels, we're above this. Well, we had significant ask here, but the volume on longs is not that crazy. Honestly, this looks like it wants higher. Let's see, maybe I'm wrong, but I don't know. This still looks good. Still no perfume balance. This look alright. So, oh, I didn't so. Nasty rejection. Let's see. How is the term looking also? Yeesh. Took this. For me, we are still above this, huh? We are still above this, so like it's still not bearish, just like a rejection because the level is heavy. But like that's it. Bro, I like your chill. I was so chill while I'm trading. Yeah, you have to be chill. Like this is how trading works. You cannot be stressed. Like you enter a trade, you chill. That's it. Like you have to be like that. If you are not like this, it's over for you. It's over. It kindly show the weekly stat. What's the probability of Wednesday and Friday pivots? The stats on brighter data, you mean? Let's look at them. Am I connected? Okay, good. Look, brighter data here, brighter data here. Okay, so weekly, monthly, and here it's weekly, monthly. Let's look at the daily and session. So we have 6 and 4% chances to take out the daily low. If we look at the daily low, it's yeah, like the daily low is like here, guys. That's daily low. So yeah, low chances to take it. Low chances to take session low, of course. Well, the session low is more this low, I think. Oh no, yeah, the session low is this low. So low chances even to take this low again. So maybe if we look at this like it, let's remove that one and trade with this. If we go on the 5 minutes, that's the session low. So we have low chances to take the session low still. Session low. So that could be a great long also to target higher. Okay, session low and the daily low basically is here. That's the daily low. That's the daily low. Daily low, yeah, basically here. And if we look at the monthly, weekly, we have low chances to take out the weekly high, and the weekly high, guys, is here. That's the weekly high. So maybe we just stay within this range until the end of the but I mean I feel like there's I feel like we can go to the weekly high, not gonna lie. I feel like we can go to the weekly high, like, yeah. And low chance to take the monthly low, which is lower. Like monthly low is like here, I would say. Oh, almost here. So yeah, very low chances to take the monthly low. So that's these are kind of the levels you want to play. Yeah, basically. So yeah, these are the datas. Now if we look at I don't know, at velo data, for example, velo data on the yearly, we can see that the average return by day is negative. Yes, Thursday and Fridays. Yesterday it was supposed to be negative and it was green, and so today also should be negative. Maybe it will be green also. This doesn't gives you like the direction of the day, but it's something you can take in consideration. You obviously don't trade based on that. So now let's see. For me, as long as we hold that, it's pretty good. Maybe we can have a retest of these lows and hold here, having tight stops. That would be great. Trying to break outside the weekly value, but failing to. Let's see also. Breaking above, that could be a trigger. Okay, with stops here and targeting the naked view up here. So let's see. Still at resistance. Okay. Spot kinda following here, but like, I mean, if we dezoom, spot is dead, guys. Spot is dead. Like, that's a little bounce. Okay, you can see here that this bounce, this short was the easiest one, because if you look at the open interest, how it increased and how the spot sold here and how it didn't move when we pumped, that was like an easy short, because that was literally filling the imbalances here and just going for lower. Like, this short was so easy. Like, this was so easy, honestly. So yeah. Papa. Trump speaking at Friday. Where you from? Switzerland? No, France. What if we closing this week below 88k? This week below 88k? Yeah, not good. Not good at all. Not good at all. So now, yeah, let's see. The weekly, where's the weekly rep? Weekly rep is under also. Like, the lower we go, the better, honestly. But like, yeah, look. Probabilities to take decision low are still kind of low. But it's more like the daily low. And look, 28 days move further than 5%. We already had big volatility today. Like, we had like, yeah, 5% move. I watched a 1 hour trading free course. This is a masterclass, tell boss. Thanks, bro. Merci. So now let's see. Okay, retesting this. Kind of indecision. Now let's see on the daily. No, that's the 12 hours, sorry. So yeah, also rejecting the rolling VWAPs. Honestly, holding 87k 700 is very important. So let's see if they can hold. But yeah, the price is very, 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 very weird. Still think this comes higher, guys. Huh? I still think this will scam higher. So let's see. And make it party. Sorry for this. Deja vu. So are we going up or down, guys? I'm even tempted to do that. That's 2 risk squad trade. Even that's a 2 risk squad trade. Even better. And now obviously we'll bounce from the entry. Hi Kelechiagocha. How are you? How is S&P looking? S&P still holding, flipping again the trend. We have a gap here. Maybe we go under, but like looks like it wants to flip again the trend. Huh? Looks like it wants to trend again the trend. Trend again. Flip again the trend. My bad. Sorry. Oh, retesting this. That is a nasty rejection again. Are we going down again? We're still above interesting level, guys. Meh. I told you once, I told you twice. Papa. So that will be like some shit like that. Coinbase, your limit order was filled. Let's see. I had it a little. I took some profits here. I had it a little here, but basically it's the same risk that I have from the short from the lows, guys. Same risk, but I had a little bit here for a little scalp. So let's see. Let's see if we'll even the session lows. Honestly, guys, well, I will show you my in silico trading terminal, but I don't want to jinx it. I really don't want to jinx it, but I literally like tick the bottom. We're gone the 1 fucking minute. Can this work, please? Can this work? Account list? Where's my account, bro? Bro, what the fuck? In Silico. Where is my account? I'm not connected? I'm connecting, bro. Add account. Okay. Okay, my account is connected now, though. Big dog, big dog. So why don't I have the positions? Fields on charts and show the position. Well, it doesn't work. What do you want for Christmas? Whatever, guys. Nothing. Just support from you guys every day. It's already a lot. All the girls get up. Look. You guys can see here, literally long here, the bottom. Let's see. We probably go back to this, but if that will be a nice entry, actually. So let's see. Let me get back this here. We still have big ask here, guys. Look. 44 million, 49 million, 51 million. We probably have it on the DOM here. No. Okay, let me do by 200 maybe. We do by 250. Yeah, look. We have at 90Ks, we have 150 millions in asks above the price. So let's see. But it looks like we can squeeze to these levels. Look here on the order book, order book profile, sorry. Always forget the name. But kinda holding the POC, we are above the value of these weeks. Like, I mean, if we merge these, we are above the value area high. Even if we merge this one, above the POC, above the value area high, flipping it, okay? I mean, there's a lot of confluences for higher to me. Same here. If we merge left all the profiles, guys, look. Same. We're above here the value area high, okay? We're above it. Same here if we look at the weeklies. Up the weeklies, we are above the value area low here, back in the value. So this might want to push a bit higher. So let's see. Let's see, let's see. JJP. Wholesome. Wants to be profitable. He wants to be a Latino for Christmas. It's fine, guys. Have a girlfriend. Bro, if you stream more, I think you can blow up easily. That's my favorite song in your playlist. Nobody. But yeah, honestly, guys, for Christmas, for all the celebrations here in the next days, I won't stream a lot. I will try. This week I will probably stream every day still, but from the 1 or 2 January, I will have my new apartment. So we'll have my new office. So we'll be able to stream literally every fucking days. Like, we will stream every day. So that will be insane. That will be insane, guys. So can't wait. Hey Diego, thanks for the amazing alpha. By the way, which software do you use to stream here? I use OBS. TC Caspin. I use OBS. The basic one. The basic one. Let's make a little update here. on X, and so I can also post the little updates. Baby, nobody. Well, let's pause this setup, and let's also pause. You know what? Let's open. I'll always open like too much. No. Where is that indicator? Probably that. Now it was 2 hours, TPO up, and the profile boxes. Tack. There we go. There you go. This one is pretty beautiful, isn't it? So, can we go higher or no? Oh. No. For mi familia, please. Dubai. We definitely need to update your music tracklist slot. What do you mean to update? No offense, but watching the chat, I think a lot of kids following you, lol. I don't think a lot of kids, honestly. Mainly people just that don't have like English as a native language sometimes, because there's a lot of mistakes. How do you get access to the order flow tools you are using? Which one? This one is Canalize, okay. This one is Market Monkey, so you can have it. You can have some for free, or you can pay the pro version. Personally, I pay the pro version to have access to, for example, the pro indicator, so the TPO, okay, volume bubble, net longs, net shorts, or the book profile, all those things. You need the pro version. Same for this, and then this is a private indicator that I have personally. My crypto dashboard, and yeah, and this is brighter data. These are statistics that I also pay a subscription for access to brighter data. Adding new music different than the old we listen every day. Yeah, that's true. Let's put some other music. It's well known, but I don't use it during the streams. Hello, wesh, ça va Angèle? How much did you accumulate before you started traveling? Honestly, I didn't accumulate anything, bro. I was just traveling with the money I was making at that time, and like that's it. Well, harsh rejection, guys. Harsh rejection. Well, we're still holding the daily and the weekly VWAP. This is kind of like my line in the sand for both here, because there are like huge confluences here. You can see here 87k 500, 87k 300. This is in confluence also with the weekly VWAP, okay? And this is also in confluence here with the 4-week composite value relo here at 87k, 600, 700. So that's a very important level. That's a very important level. Is Tablik actually a good platform? Yeah, for sure, bro. Is it early for Christmas rally? Well, could be the Christmas rally here. But I'm being defensive because if we cannot flip this level, well, this can just turn into another like rejection like this. So let's see. Still 16 minutes to go into the 1 hour candle close. 4 hour also. Well, the 4 hour is trying to make it above the 4 hour trend. If we can like hold here, that could be nice. Maybe it takes some time to hold, but let's see. 2-pack. We can put some 2-pack. Yo, I don't know if you are here, brother, but huge shootout to Captain Sydney on Discord. That's very, very, very like kind from you. He said, hey man, I just want to say this video is possibly the most valuable video I've seen since I started trading. Thank you so much for sharing. That's my last YouTube video, guys, trading psychology. You just have to go on my YouTube channel. Only 400 views, but it's the last one. This one you can go 12 minutes long. You can see that the edits are good. Okay, I did some very, very good edits. I was in the studio talking to you guys, so the text is clean. So that's, I'm just giving you the tips in how I beat the psychological game of trading after 3 years of failure. So if you guys are interested to watch this, well, just go on my YouTube channel. That was my last video, guys. Alright, can't let go. Did the camera just shut down? Ah, no, it's fine, okay. I don't want you. Weekly high is strong, so not worth the long here on my side. Did you close some of your longs, bro? I took some profits and then I had it. Will you be mad if I quit the stream to watch the video? No, it's totally fine. Go for this. Yeah, your free course and the 3 private videos that you shared are a lot of value. Thanks a lot. Love the content, bro. You're so underrated, man. Keep it up. Love the streams. Thank Daniel Sinner. Thanks a lot. Stop, guys, making compliments. I'm joking. So now we just wait. Why like yesterday and before yesterday we had these crazy price actions where we had this short, I was not streaming. Well, I was streaming here with my students, but I literally stopped the stream here at 35 because I had to go for an appointment, and then I went out and we dumped, but we were short. Here, same thing. I was not at home. I was with my family. We dumped. That's why I put the selfie and stuff, because I was traveling. So we dumped. And now that we're streaming, the price is just doing shit. And also not going in our way. So that is not what we want. That is not what we want. Well, this shit is back at entry though. So, but for me, this is still bullish. It's still alright. NGL. Do you want my now? Or maybe we take this low, but yeah, the problem. Who said that? Let's look at the chat. Check USDCD chart. Quite a solid SFP of the lows from 19th. In my opinion, we're going lower. Lower in terms of where is that? Crypto USDCD. In terms of USDC dominance, or in terms of BT? You think this goes higher? Well, actually, we're above the trend. But this, for me, this still looks heavy. Same as BTC on the daily looks good. For now. Maybe we just close under this, but if we can have an engulfing candle above this one, above this one, above this one. Basically, a candle close above 87k at 100 tonight, or even 88 to 100 will be very, very bullish, because we could have an engulfing candle of 1, 2, 3 candles, even maybe 4 candles. For now, we're not there yet, okay? This can literally reverse, but yeah. Lower in terms of BTC alts, okay. So when you're in the stream, we dump again, probably. Joe, I don't understand. Is this your last live stream? No, it's not my last live stream. It's not my last live. It's my last live stream of this week, because after that is the weekend. Check the 3-5 minutes on USDC. Okay. Let me see. My dog. 5 minutes. Okay. Oh, you trade the low time frame on this? I never used it. But yeah, clean. Yeah, okay. That's clean. That is clean, actually. But like, I don't know. For me, USDC dominance is something you use more on the high time frame. Same. Total market cap looks like it can have like a squeeze to like yearly open. Like the yearly open of the market cap might be the level you want to go in swing short. So I will put an alarm here because that's an interesting level. Now let's look at the other coins. Yes, wow, this looks like shit. I feel like Tao will take out like the lows here, even maybe this. And yeah, oh, the altcoins, they're all looking very bad, guys. Honestly, this is pretty bearish. Wow. That didn't work. Let's remove this bullshit. Oh, okay, not bad. So maybe higher for BTC Dom. Ethereum, what is the plan? Yeah, Ethereum, I still think we can have lower targets on Ethereum. Now BTC Euro, pretty clean also. BTC Euro, I will put an alarm here on BTC Euro also, because remember, guys, that the USD lost a lot of value. So for example, look at this. BTC Euro only went to 107Ks. BTC Pound, same thing. Okay. So yeah, just looking at all of these. Astro, same, we got close break-even here. Yeah, altcoins were pretty bearish. Yeah? Euro USD not damping. DXY, okay. Okay, well, let's put this back here. Well, is MMT better than ExoChat for the next? I think for now ExoChat is still better than MMT, but I think MMT will be better in a very short period of time. I don't know, because ExoChat, some people are used to it, but I feel like MMT is going to take over. Like for me, MMT will be kind of the trading view of like order flow. Yo, Gloria, bro, please check Ethereum. Need to know if I should close my long or wait. What do you think about Ethereum long? This can scam. Took the high here. Have a gap. Personally, I wanted to short here, but we took the low already. This one is safe. Honestly, for me, Ethereum, it depends on BTC. In terms of VWAPs, we have a huge resistance here, though. Yearly rolling VWAP, 30-day and 7 days rolling VWAP, very big resistance. So, like, if we can flip that lower, but if we can flip this, can go to this high. Can even go to this high, okay? Can even go to like the 90 rolling VWAP and to take this high. Like 3K500 and then 0. That will be from this low at 25. Yeah, 25%. I have the eyes, guys. I know. Oh. Fucking terrifying. Love the honesty, brother. You're welcome. You're welcome. But maybe this is just Shopfest into the end of the year. Huh? Like, pa, 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 pa. Ooh, everyone. Well, not a lot of movement right now, guys, huh? I kind of want to see 72k before end of the year. Will be great, actually. There is a bearish divergence in the 1 hour time frame. Bearish divergence in what? With what? On the 1 hour. With the RSI, maybe? I don't have the... I don't really play the divergences, brother, to be fair. Put that sunshine in my life, sunshine in my life. Well, any thoughts on CRV? Honestly, I'm not touching this shit. What are all the free tools available for trading? Honestly, one platform that is giving a lot of free tools is Kayotaka. Kayo, KIYOTAKA.ai. Okay, charles.kayotaka.ai. You have access to all, for example, the order flow here. I'm not sure you have access to the TPO. You have access to the TPO. Actually, you have access to the TPO, which is usually a premium indicator. So here you have it for free. Can you merge? You can also merge with the previous one. Okay. Well, that's... Well, you have it for free here. You can do daily, you can do weekly, monthly sessions. Okay, you can change the block size. You can change the value rare. You can change the tick per bars. You can change the colors also. You can show the labels on the POCs, naked extensions also. Price of scale. Poor highs. Poor lows. Single prints. Yeah, you have it for free. So Kayotaka, you have it for free. That is great. You also have the league fight. You have everything on Kayotaka. So if you want a free one, you have it here. And I feel like you also have a hub. No, the academy here, where they teach you how to, if you want to read. Like, honestly, there's a lot of free resources, guys, if you want to read. Okay, so yeah, like, you have no excuses to not learn. The price is waiting for you to end the stream. Maybe. If you go to the 4 hour time frame and anchor a VWAP from the 49k low, you will see the confluence. Make sure the source is on the low. Okay, 4 hour time frame from 49k low. Where am I? Let's create one. Well, let's create a new template here. Layouts. Any random charts. Open a new tab. Okay, let's remove the TPO. Let's go on the 4 hour. And so you want an encode VWAP on the 4 hour from 49k low here. So this one, right? Or this one? This one, I guess. Okay, let's look. VWAP. Okay. I know, I think the tool is this. Encode VWAP. So basically from the low, right? Here. Okay. Gotta take a chance. So this is for you that's for you the VWAP, right? I did it in the good way. So for you this is the VWAP on Coinbase USD chart, okay? let's try on Coinbase. BTC, Coinbase, USD, okay. Coinbase USD. Okay. So it's that one, right? No. Wait, because it has to load all the data. Thanks a lot, just starting. You're welcome. Close my longs here. Just gonna take profit after this whole week of rent shopping for me. Yeah, maybe you should just close it. Profit is profit. Well, it's lagging. Gotta take a chance. This is my location. Yeah, that's the right one. Ah, it was the right one? Okay. Well, the confidence is not that... It was not that crazy. My work big on trading you, that's what it's... Okay. But I wanted to do it here. So, we probably... I feel like we hold here, honestly. Let's put back this, same price, huh? So we have the entry. It's just that... Sometimes I move my stops because I want to have the... I want to have it here. At the same level. But it's cleaner on the charts. But the main position again, guys, is this one, huh? That's the real position. It's more like something like this. If we put it here, really long here, 84k 600. The stops, well, actually the stops were here, but I trailed them 83. And my target is this buy. Essentially, like that's no, a bit higher. Yeah, that was like, yeah, this. So yeah, that's basically my trade. Now the problem is that we are okay around 30 days, 7 days rolling VWAP, so we need to flip it, but we are still above here. Okay, we are still above that. Let's put an alarm here, so we have the alarm, but it's, yeah, like at 600. For me, as long as we hold here, that's like, this is okay. This is totally okay. Like, I feel like we can go up. You can even play like a long here. Stops, like, let's say stops here and target that. Like that also makes sense to me, honestly. Like, yeah, this is like all right. Just shoot for the star. We can see brighter data weekly statistics. Yes, you can add a please. No, I'm joking. Weekly here, we have 0.6% chance to take out the weekly high based on time because it's Friday, and we have 22% chances to take out the weekly high based on distance. And also, it's unlikely that P2 is in, so that we don't make a new high or new low, because 70% of the weeks moved further than 6.6%. And same, unclear X, because 67% of the weeks formed a new P2 after yesterday. So yeah. And if we look at the daily, we have low chances to take the daily low, low chances to take out the session low. So today we can play to the upside, and like it's here, look. The weekly high is literally here, so like it's only 2% away, 2.3% away. And we have basically very low chances to move 3% down. So we can stay here maybe and don't take that and just like correct here and end the day here. But like it's only 2% away. And the daily statistics are bullish, so. And sometimes statistics are made to be broken. Big resistance weekend can be funny. Yeah. We always drop out on Friday after going up in New York session. Why today is different? Well, for now, New York session is still running. We still have like 4 hours of New York session. So let's see. But for now, we are good. We are good in the trade. So let's see. Let's see how it goes. Take me. So let's see. Up. Oh, sorry. Now pump it, baby. Hey, hey, hey. And it goes like this. But weekly are bearish. What do you mean weekly? Yeah, the weekly statistics are bearish. Yeah. So let's see. Let's see, but still betting on these guys. We also need to hold above that, okay, this cluster, and then it's free run towards this level, 90Ks. And if we close above this, if we can flip that, okay, and the POC, big resistance here, then this is, well, for sure we get 93K3, so the value very high of the 4-week composites. And then probably this poor high here at 96Ks. We have a big void here in terms of volume. So you can see it here also. So I feel like this can also be filled, like 98Ks. For me, that will be the best scenario. Maybe overextend it here. See, like something like this. Oh shit. Like overextend it here. Something like this. Very possible. So now let's see. Personally, I added long. I took this long. I added a little long. The week, it's going pretty good personally in my account so far. So is anyone in a trade, guys, right now? Is anyone in a trade or? For now, it's holding. Yes, I mean, nice. From where? Did you guys long yesterday when I gave the call, or you guys longed a bit later? Short BT, stop loss weekly high, targeting the lows. Okay, nice one. That's a setup I could have taken, honestly. Because, I mean, low chances to take out the weekly high, so makes sense. Problem is that we are still above the weekly and daily VWAP, even though we have lots of confluence here with the 30-day, 7-day rolling VWAP. The problem is that we rejected 1 time, 3 times. We still have the week to fill here. We still have this week to take here. We are above the 4-week composite value low. So for me, if we do like have a big rejection and we retest this level, maybe I will short here with stops here. But yeah, I feel like it's a bit early to short here, honestly. Long yesterday, but cut it this morning and re-enter now. Nice. Yesterday I was too drunk to open new position. I was drunk also. That was before I was drunk that I took the long. Actually, if BTC failed to sweep the weekly high today before closing, then I think we should short it on the weekend till yeah, possible also. But I feel like I won't take new trades until Monday. So this is my trade. Either get stopped entry or TP, and that's it. Holding my position long from 85k. Nice. Short on the Ethereum and BTC. Okay, was long. When did you short it? Match short BTC at 91k. Yeah, 91k5 is also a great level. Here basically. No, here, sorry. You can see here that's almost the POC. That's like the second POC. 91k5 makes sense also. But this level is already big. We have the first rejection, so maybe we're the rejection from the second POC. And that could be a nice, maybe that could be a nice trade, okay? So we go towards, I don't know, 91k500. So we go like here, okay? And then actually we go a bit lower. We retest this, the value very low, and then we make the clean rotations to our here and then here. That will be like the textbook setup. So maybe we don't get it, but that will be clean. Your sound volume is quite low actually. Oh, sorry. The sound of my voice should be nice. Let me check. Properties. Oh, okay. Let me put it on this. Okay. Now it might be better. Now it might be better. 91.2 would be nice. Yeah. Yeah, I agree. Short from the high based on USDT DOM already took 50% stop break even. Nice. So that was like a big position with very tight stop loss. Bam right is better than ya. Bam right is better than ya. So we kind of pumping, guys. Sun was better before. It was better before. Sun is good. Okay, well, let me put the sun before then. Oh, I feel like maybe now it will be better. Now it's the sun from my AirPod, so it will be better maybe now. Let me know. Let me know. Now it looks like you're in toilets. Oh shit. Now the new one. In this market manipulation, does this short analysis really help? I'm just curious. Well, I mean, you just have to look at the win rate we had this month. And you can tell that, yes, I mean, most of the technical analysis, so looking, for example, just trading based of this, no, it's just to have like a clean visual when I put my trades here. But we trade based on a lot of factors, high time frame confluence. We also look at equities. We have the TPOs on the 1 hour and the 15 minutes. We also look at other cryptos. We have benchmark indicators. And more importantly, we look at the data. So we look at the probabilities of the price, okay? We look also at the order flow and the perpetual data. So we will look at the ask and the bids on the price, okay? At very important levels. Also, the imbalances. We will look at the TPOs on the daily and on the weekly. We will look at the footprints. We will look at the VWAPs. We will look at the open interest. We will look at the perpetual data. So we will look at a lot of data. And so our system will be a layer of confluences. And so the more confluences we have, the better the trade is and the higher the probability is for your trade to go to profit, okay? There's never a 100% probability. And even if there is a 99% probability, you still can lose. So in order to be profitable with this, you also need to have a good psychology and a good mindset so you don't get burned, okay? And you actually trade like a machine and like a robot, and seriously. And you also need to have a risk management plan because you need to handle the moments where you will lose, because it's cool, this month we've been winning a lot, but what if next month we are losing a lot? We'll have to have great risk management to make sure that when the losing days happens, you don't get burned, because this is the biggest problem of most of the trader. When they win, they don't win necessarily big, or they might win big, but when they lose, they lose bigger. So that's very important. Yeah, it's good. You know Brutal, by the way, on X, Brutal Bitsy. Yeah. I know. I don't know him personally, but I know who he is. I have his template here, for example. That's his template that I got from like years ago, but I feel like he still uses it. But yeah, I know who he is, but I don't know. I'm pretty biased about him. Like he's giving some things, but it's not really clear, you know. Thanks for the explanation. Agree. You're welcome. So it's been already 1 hour stream, guys. Let's stream 15 minutes more, kinda. So you know what? Let's do the giveaway also. Oh, sorry. I don't know why the quality is horrible. If I do this. Okay, well, you guys can see me here. Maybe I can like auto framing. Okay, lightning. Yeah, it's horrible, guys. Sorry, it's horrible. Okay, you guys have me here. So let's do the giveaway, guys. Let's do the giveaway. So in order to participate to the giveaway, you guys need to comment in the stream. You guys need to like, and you guys need to follow the YouTube channel. Sorry. So this is the giveaway. So once we get enough entries, I will just click, and there will be one winner here. So one of the viewers will win $100 on his Lbank account. It's audible. What do you mean it's audible? Let's see what happens here. So for those who are watching and that are not commenting, it's time for you to talk. Let's go. Now let's see here. Well, we are still, look, what I would love to see here is the price being able to push above the weekly VWAP value. That would be nice. That would be quite bullish. If not, we probably just stay in rotational in these levels. Same, very important level to flip, the monthly VWAP. We've been under it since Friday, since literally a week. And this is the level to flip again, close above that. Like for now, the candle close is bullish. I mean, this daily close like this, very bullish. Why? We're closing above this, closing above this, closing above this, closing above this. So we're closing above 4 daily candles. Okay, and we're also getting back inside the yearly VWAP value, which is bullish. So that will be great. So now let's look at it. We still have the big orders here, guys. If we look at the DOM here, we have 150 mil. Okay, if we put it in coin, there's almost 2K, 2,000 Bitcoins above the price to be sold. So there's someone willing to sell 2K BTs higher, so that could top the market. This is a limit order, so if we get here, he probably removes his order, it doesn't get filled. That's what happens most of the time. But basically, he's sending a signal that I want the price to be lower because I want to sell here. So there's no reason the price, like if someone sells 200 million bitcoins, dollars in bitcoins, he don't want the price to go higher. This kind of people that sells, like it's probably not someone that only has 200 million BTCs as a net worth and that is selling them. Probably someone that has way more. Yo, yeah, guys, it's time to comment. It's time to comment. Liquidating heatmap show. Yeah. Let me show you the. So let's look on trading difference and let's look on CoinGlass. So on trading difference, we still have this. Okay, at 83k, that makes sense. But if we dezoom, we have it at 96k. The problem is that as long as we don't take this level, I feel like this is where you look at, okay? Even 100x, but if we look at the 100x, it's here, 90s. So it depends on the leverage you use, see? But the high leverage, the biggest liquidation is here. But if we look at all the leverage, it's lower. And if we do zoom, it's here. Now let's look at CoinGlass. CoinGlass on the 24 hour, we took here, we have some here, okay? On the 3 days, we have some higher still, okay? We can push to 90s, which is what I think. On the weekly, big liquidations higher also. On 1 month, let's see 1 month. Well, 1 month is a bit of everywhere, so yeah. So let's see, guys. I'm a bit tired. I will have to go also. So how much are we? We are 19. Let's go at 25 people that commented. We will do the giveaway, guys. So in order to win the giveaway, you just have to comment, okay? You just have to comment, and I will pick one of the people that commented and that is also follower of the YouTube channel and that like the stream. So you guys have to comment. By the way, we passed 1,500 followers on YouTube. Thanks a lot. I feel like getting to 2K will be complicated by the end of the year, but the goal for me for 2026 will be to hit 10K followers on YouTube. But I feel like this is very doable. So let's aim for 100K. This is almost impossible on YouTube, but who knows? Let's just have a crazy target. You think we can get a fail auction here? Yeah, could be. Could be. Let's go. Boom. Comment it. Let's fucking go. Okay, 2 more, guys. 2 more comments and we can do the giveaway. Look, they're adding more asks. That's crazy. Let's see if they are strong enough to push. They are still trying to push. So 25. Okay, let's go, guys. So let's do the giveaway to one of you guys for his Lbank account. So let's click, and the winner is Dummy. Dummy, you are the winner. Congratulations. Oh, I feel like you already won, Dummy, no? Did you already won? Maybe I'm mistaken. Ah, no, it's not like you already won and you were not here. I feel like that was something like this. Is it here? If you don't reply under 1 minute 30, I will give it to someone else. because there's a lot of chances I'm here. Okay, great. I don't really know how is that you don't have more subscribers. Well, I just started YouTube, guys, so it takes time to increase. Yo, Brock, it takes time to get followers. So yeah. Cool. Okay, so Dummy sent me a message on X with the proof, and I was once. Oh, okay, you already won, but I cannot even see you're here. So we'll have to pick a new winner, guys. And the winner is Rudrak Shagar. Congratulations, brother. Because we cannot do same winner on the months. It's every next month that we do new winners. So we change because we're not that much in the streams, guys. So there's high probability that you win in the same month. So we do every month. You have only one chance to win. So Rudrak, yo, okay, congrats. So send me a message on X or Discord with the proof that you won. Okay, screen record. Okay, screen record, and that's it. Top 10 respect moments. So, congratulations. Now let's look at the price. Honestly, boring session. We're still holding here. We're still holding. Standard Division 1 of the weekly VWAP here. Would love this to get you Standard Division 2 at least, but looks heavy. But wow, this is the swing. We are risk free on this swing, okay. And honestly, it's still looking like alright. I mean, we are up since entry 4%, no more, 4.5%, and this went up like 5%. So I'm staying in the position. So yeah, that was it for today, guys. I will post a new video tonight on YouTube, I think, or maybe I will post a free course, so you guys will have to send me a message or something like this. So stay tuned. Have a good one. See you guys Monday. That was it for today. And yeah, sadly we didn't have press action like Thursday or like Wednesday where we had crazy movements during the stream. I was not streaming during these days, but yeah, that's the setup right now. To recap just what we did this week, we literally started the week here. Okay, if you guys remember, here Monday we shorted. Okay, we took profit here, no trade here. We shorted here, we took profit here. We shorted here, we took profit here, and then we long here. Like this week was insane. Honestly, this week was insane. So yeah. And again, it was all shared in the streams, it was all shared in Discord, and most of the trades were also shared for free on X. So that's how it is. That was a great week. Have a good one, guys. Have a fun weekend, and see you guys.